puppets must be rigged to function properly. We're going to add draggers to the hands so we can pick up the hands and move them. To do that, we must be in the Rig workspace, and you can enter that by double-clicking your puppet in the Project panel in the top left. Once you double-click the words, you'll see your puppet load. You'll see the names of all of your layers, with all of your plus sign layers having crowns, meaning they can be moved independently, like these arms. Choose a layer, right arm for example, and notice that the parent to the right arm is the ghost, and there's a green line that connects the two. However, it's not connected in the right place. So find the handle, the circle, on the arm tagged right arm. Click and drag that circle up and connect it where it overlaps the body, meaning it will connect to the green mesh of the body. That is where the arm will pivot from. Click on the other arm and repeat this process by moving the handle and connecting it where the shoulder would be. So now those two handles are placed properly. Next, we will use some of these buttons below the ghost to add draggers and sticks. I'm going to open this up so you can see all of the buttons. This funny button is the Show Mesh button, which shows you the mesh that you use. So when we click on an arm, if we had anything to drag, we would see the mesh over top. So if I click here, you can see the mesh. If I click on an arm, there is no mesh. We are going to add draggers to the arms. The dragger looks like a circle with triangles around it. Make sure you're on the right arm and click and put the dragger on the hand. Now you'll see the mesh showing you how this arm moves. Remember, it had a plus sign, it has a crown, so it warps independently of the body, which is why it did not have a mesh before. Repeat the process on the left arm, adding the dragger, and then inspecting the mesh. If you go to the Record tab and you drag a hold of your arm, you'll notice it drags, but it also kind of stretches weirdly. In order to make it so it doesn't stretch so strange, go back to Rig and add sticks, which are kind of like bones. Down at the bottom, find the stick tool. It looks like a line with a circle in the middle. Drag two sticks. Think like upper arm bone, lower arm bone. Click back on the other arm. Be sure the mesh is visible. Upper arm bone, lower arm bone. Return to Record. And now try it out. And it should move better. There you go.